Now, if I wanted to, in these sections, I could change the image of the airplane. Let me show you what that would look like. So if I have this same thing here, oh man, I forgot to localize all my little variables here. Let me fix that. I was just playing around with that this morning, and then I got organized and put everything in a simpler way. I think that's all of them. Did we get them all? Yeah, there we go. Okay, so now when I press the keys, I can have my airplane change to a different direction of facing, which is basically just changing the image. So you'll notice on this one, I have PyGame image load, and I'm actually loading that image on the fly, which is not the most efficient way to do this, but it doesn't really matter that much. What I want to see is when I press the up, it changes that image. So you can change the image to make the game a little bit like fancier, but that is just another way you can do it. So the player class here is just managing the movement.